Tired of job listings needing 10 years of experience, a PhD in rocket science, and fluent in Dolphin? Come on. Well, guess what? There is. And it's called remote customer support. Imagine this. You comfortably at home, replying to emails, chatting with customers, being the digital hero without a cape. No investment needed. Just your time, internet, and attitude. In this video, I'll show you how to start with remote customer support. The skills you need, spoiler alert, you probably already have them, and how to find legit opportunities without falling for scams. So grab a cup of coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into remote customer support. Now let's get real for a second. Customer support might not sound glamorous, but it's one of the most accessible ways to make money online. No need to blast off into space, unless your customer wants a satellite TV package. It's all about helping people solve their problems through email, chat, or social media. Killer communication skills and a smile they can hear through the screen. To get started, you'll need a reliable internet connection, basic communication skills. If you can text, you're halfway there. Empathy and patience, like explaining Wi-Fi to grandparents. A quiet workspace, no dogs barking, no kids screaming. Where do you find these magical pants-optional jobs? Sites like Indeed, Remote.co, and We Work Remotely are gold mines. Type remote customer support and watch the listings pop up. Before you start applying, here are some pro tips to make your application stand out. Tailor your resume. Highlight any experience where you solved problems or helped people. Write a killer cover letter. Show them you're not a robot. Inject some personality. Tell them why you're excited to help customers. Prepare for mock chats. Some companies will test your chat skills. Be ready to answer common customer questions like, "Where's my order?" or "Why is my screen showing 404?" Remote customer support is a fantastic way to make money from home without any investment. It's flexible, you can work from anywhere, and it's a skill you can take to any industry, so why not try it? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends who might need a new gig, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online without spending a dime. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see. Check the video description for a link to an online live chat assistant job, and I'll catch you in the next video.